客家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Yo, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. Here's Zoomie-Romi with a song called Zoomie-細人仔 which is titled Just Kids. It's a rich, powerful rock ballad that delivers a striking message. The song explores how our falls, though painful, can be good opportunities for transformation and growth. Zoomie's song is an anthem for freedom, encouraging everyone to make choices that nourish and enrich their lives, just like kids. Let's take a listen to Zoomie-細人仔
依然來自我心中才看你給力聲音empty白天白地不宜白頭這個有點憧憬聲音empty 我寧一生平安可能愛可引起聲音empty 故說你終於愛快樂大任愛數愛無愛愛聲你咋個識了佢講無愛就會愛那係真正無愛愛你用辦法對山登高地落下來從頭會比也係半年共行法配法聲音empty
歌手柔米呢，用他独特厚实的嗓音唱出这首充满摇滚曲风的 Zoomie-細人仔，而他用这首歌来探讨，当人坠落时，虽然会因为撞击而受伤，但却是一个能够从伤口中长出翅膀的契机。而借由这首歌曲呢，柔米期待每一个人都能自由的在各种选择里得到生命的滋养。让我们来继续聽柔米的 Zoomie-細人仔。
face 裡唔單唱只是爭議係半年前中嘅玻璃Zoomie-細人仔怪定怪地就會莫快出界無人中間傻逼半摩托令我半輕鬆開自家嘅機會 Having faith on yourself or just trust me 明白好算命認出好照鏡I still don't know the meaning Just keep telling story 每個嘅人講好談法聲音嘅講法冇認同故上愛中意你夢到大
Wow, what a rocking tune by Romi Zoomie, which explores the nature of relationships as power dynamics. Again, it's called Zoomie-細人仔. Well, hope you enjoyed it. Another Hakka song on ICRT. My name is Joseph Lin, and we will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.